What?
F8 skills. Oh, I have epic skills.
Shut the freak up, bro. Shut the.
Okay, there's a pump there. I'm not gonna go for it.
Actually, you wanna bet? My pump.
I don't want it.
You wanna fight me?
Yeah,
I'll take the gold P90. I'll take the gold P90.
I'm gonna take the gold scar instead of the green AR-15 because.
Oh, we got Afro Trolls.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, Panda just left the game.
Panda just. What the frick?
What the fuck?
Any afros?
Alright.
Oh, bro. I'm pretty sure this was him.
Mine!
One of
Oh,
that.
what the fuck?
There's a pump in there.
This guy just portaled. I kind of want his stuff, though. Oh, that guy has a blue pump. Mine. That's mine.
No, because of zone. Are you rotating?
I killed him.
Yet?
Cute
Are you
Panda
rotating?
YT. Shut the. Oh, crap. Oh, I need to run.
Guy again! There's the guy from the beginning in the red art hat. Come to me, I need help.
One sec, I'm killing this man. There's a man behind me. He's being a freaking. Oh, I just pumped this guy so hard. I need a res.
Yeah, here.
That dead body right there. I just killed that guy so hard. Push that. Push that body. That's my bolt. Bro, can you not?
Can I not what?
This guy. Did that guy have a bolt?
There's a bolt right here.
I need one.
It's in the lucky house. I'm gonna get the. I got it. I can carry one.
The guys over at this house.
I have one more slot. I had a nice breath pump, but here, I'll take those bandies. Yo, eat the bandies.
Eat mine.
Here, eat the bandies. Come in.
Oh.
Or not. Don't want to get sniped.
Oh, 60 tag. He's solo.
This guy's solo too.
I lasered. Nice.
Got him.
They're portaling. Don't let him.
Push. He's gonna die.
Nice.
Nice.
Portal.
Loot. Where does loot go?
Yo, right here.
Oh, wow. I'm low.
I lasered.
I'm healing.
He didn't portal. Hey, I got him.
GG's.
No,
We're dominating. Except I need those minis. Yo, somebody threw gassies. I hear the rocks.
Yo, take this mini.
Yeah, I want a mini. Oh, right. DJ.
Yep. Off. I have a hybrid for you.
He has off. He's a minigun. Oh no! Don't get flamed.
Come take this.
One. Look how many meds there are. I'm going for them.
How many kills do you have?
5.
Nice, me too. Where's this? Where are these?
He went down. He actually sniped me.
Trick shot. What are you doing? That was a terrible trick shot. Where is
That
this
guy.
man?
I'm
Oh, he's
medic,
up here.
I'm
He's
medic.
up here. He's up here. Is he trying to?
Oh. Can you not? He's low now. He's super low. Yeah, there we go. You literally revved me into him. What? Nice. Oh, where'd he go?
Yeah, I'm inviting him. His game probably crashed.
Yeah. Yo, I'm checking the clip I got. He had a really nice pump. I'll send you the link or the clip. Why do we always go Blossom?
Oh no, it's better.
I'm gonna go right here, okay?
Oh,
Any Blossom macro shows?
oh crap.
Die. Oh, do you have that on?
That's Panda.
Oh, you're
Lasered,
fine.
lasered, lasered. He's dead. He's one tap. I'm just gonna let him sit.
Oh
nice
my
little
god,
pog
two
hop.
guys.
Just dip. I'm coming.
He literally trapped me in this house.
Nice.
Look,
Panda got
he
one.
literally.
Killed this guy.
They literally trapped me in that house. Are you there to trap me? Where did they go? What the heck? What the heck? How many? All of these people have snowman grenades and they keep trapping me. Oh, gunshot.
Yeah, that's me and Panda.
No, that's not you and Panda. I'm fighting these guys in Lucky.
Lucky you. How are you all the way up there?
I just pursued it. Nice, that was nice. Let's go. I finished them. Should I go back to you guys? But Lucky's unlooted.
We're going to Lucky.
Okay. Yo. What the frick? It's my notification. What the frick? Yo, now whenever I literally have. Okay, I can't. There we go. I wasted so much ammo.
Lasered? Oh, I killed him.
Nice.
I killed someone back here too. I want his bullet.
In here. Yo,
Someone res.
RPG'd this guy. Yo, Minnie's right here. Oh, there's a healing gun.
Oh, nice. Come over to me.
Panda's taking it. What? Okay. Alright, so basically, it was a close range battle right here, and somehow I peeked out and I RPG'd him without taking any damage. Should I use a gold ump as my? No, this final battle's gonna be like if the final circle is gonna be like in Wild West, which I don't think so.
Only
You would
two
want to
left.
take like a SMG as your AR because you know they do a lot more damage than an AR, but the range isn't good. But there's no need for range in Wild because there's so many. Oh my god, is Panda fighting? But there's no need for an AR in Wild because there's like it's all close range fights.
That's not true.
But the final circle isn't in Wild anyway, so.
Oh, we got a knob. Alright, let's go up to this place. Oh, people.
Nice.
Oh, we're just blowing up the train. Or not. Panda got them. There's a bolt up here.
Where? I want one. Yeah, thanks.
People on me.
Oh, what the? So watch out for the cactus mom.
Oh, I lasered. This guy's dead. Hit him for 70. Oh, Jesus. Nice, thank you.
And I wasn't doing that too.
This is Panda. He joined Streak. I don't know when. When did Panda join Streak?
Like during your
During one of my streams.
second stream?
Yeah,
Like,
like my second week stream.
where are they?
I think they're up here. Oh, found him. 70.
Where?
Lasered. Knocked. Oh.
Died to them.
He died to the rip.
Yes. Because of the Discord notification, like during one fight, I clicked on it, and then so it brought me to Discord, so I clicked back on Zoms. And then I was literally having auto shoot, like, I couldn't stop shooting. So I just kept on, yeah. Do you think that's useful though, auto shoot? Maybe that is. Are we gonna Blossom? Okay, we're going to Blossom again.
It's a Blossom.
Blossom is my favorite spot to land. Always land at that. I like landing in these trees.
I mean, because you do get a, like, you get another loot, like, that you know you're gonna have everything.
Why did he just land? Oh my, how did he get a gun? How did he get a gun, like...
Are you okay?
Do you think you can redeploy your glider? Because he landed in here.
I have a medkit for you over here.
I have bandies that.
Okay, now come take this medkit.
Oh, I have healing gun, which is better.
Don't waste it. Just take the medkit.
Okay. Where is the medkit?
That's mine.
Medkit.
Oh, it's right here. Oh crap. Panda.
Panda's dead.
No, Panda's cracked.
Oh, nice panda.
Where's that healing gun?
Have it?
Can I have it?
Panda need it?
Yeah, give it to me, give it to me. I'll go bring it to him. You fight. Okay,
There's a
I'll fight.
bottom
I'll fight.
there.
I'll fight.
Stop moving. Stop moving, Panda. I need it. I don't want to waste the ammo. Panda.
Stop. Tell him to stop.
Panda, stop. Stop moving. Stop moving. Dang it. Whatever.
Yo, illusion in a big pot.
Oh, you gave me a big... Would you take a gold dump if I gave it to you right now?
I mean, I would take it, yeah.
Here, it's right there. Actually, no, I need it back.
Nope.
The pump I saw it. I need it back.
Nope.
Bye. Ow.
Can this guy come into zone?
Yo, we need help. Oh, they portal, it's fine. I'm gonna push actually. They portal, should we push or should I push?
Kill the duo. I'm fighting this other dude.
No. He's trying to heal, like, while we're shooting him, he's healing with the healing gun and he's trying to out-heal us.
Oh, wait, I thought that was Panda! No! Help! Help! Where are you?
We are all the way and far away!
Why? Why?
Yeah.
Why? You guys are trash. I thought that was Panda. What do you mean? Where's the guy from last game? That dude in the red hair, that's from last game.
No! Panda, watch out.
Oh, you're bad. If you die right now, you're trash.
Oh, they're pros. Did I?
Nice. Oh, you got him, you got him. Solid. Easy. Easy. Alright. This is gonna be a good vid. I'm watching Panda.
Alright.
Yeah.
I knocked him. I knocked him. Oh my god. I actually knocked him.
That's funny. Oh, Panda got this guy. Oh, they're dead. Let's go.
Yo, I got the turbo ship. Let's go.
Let's do like two more. A few
Yo,
more games.
invite me again. Invite me again. Invite me again. Next. I have to get 300 eliminations? How do you even do that? How's that possible? Tell me. How is that possible?
You just got 300 kills. It's pretty easy.
That's actually pretty. Okay, fine. That's easy. How much longer is the season for?
There's 2 more weeks of challenges. So it's like 2 weeks and a bit.
Do you guys have a hot drop? Let's go Blossom again. Blossom
Yeah.
is my favorite spot to drop.
Same.
Then like
Then Mystic.
and maybe Sunny, then Space Base.
Yeah. No, Space Base is pretty bad. I don't like
Very
Space.
far away. Why? I don't know. Do you like this? This is so ugly. I know.
Oh, that guy took there. I got this crate. Oh, I got a purple bolt. First chest. It's kind of odd.
Okay.
Got a gold chest. I got Snowman. Watch Panda.
Yo, bruh.
What, bruh?
This guy has a freaking.
I'm coming. Oh, go save Panda. Go save Panda.
I saved him.
Full loadout. There's a person in here. Hey, Paul. So many kills. 3 kills. Yeah, it's pretty pog. Not gonna lie. What the hell are you guys doing?
I have a really good loadout.
Do you even have a purple bolt?
No, but I have this.
Oh.
Do you even have a silenced AR?
Do you even have a life?
Yeah.
Because I don't.
Do you like that? Wait, what?
Do I like what?
Gold.
Oh, Bolt in here.
He asked if I like gold BSSs. Oh, a blue gun.
Bro, freaking tag me. You're going
Bro,
down.
you
I don't
keep
even care.
getting hit.
I got hit
You
once.
pushing?
Yeah. Freaking. Give me your toes.
Did you kill him yet?
Oh my god, you get so far thrown on Radical. Oh, bro, I'm dead.
Killed them all?
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
By zone?
Yeah, guys. Just res.
I killed them all. I have 4 kills.
No, dude, I'm getting finished. You got this, you got this. Imagine the pod.
There? You have any more snowmen?
No.
Hybrid. Okay, I'm gonna put the guy with the goo gun. See if he's still there.
Someone died.
Not here anymore. He dead. On a portal.
Oh,
healing
no.
gun. Healing gun. I'm gonna take the healing gun. Dead. Yo, this is like
Let's
somebody
portal.
trying to storm heal.
It's portal.
Portal? No. Panda doesn't know.
I accidentally portaled. I'm trying to get. Oh, people.
Yeah?
I can fight. They're bad. Also, I have a
Okay.
gold pump, so.
I'm coming. He hit me.
Give me your toes.
There's 123 damage with full shot. I love that.
Yeah, you open.
I hope there's mad flails. I'll take it out.
Shit.
Oh, watch out.
I'll take these healing. I don't need them. There's tons of meds.
I'm gonna take the night kit. Oh, wow. I just wasted it.
Killed 2.
There's still 7 kits left.
Kill 3. Let's go, Pog. Oh crap. Freaking spammers. We're dead. They're bad.
What do you mean? Cry.
Nice. I'm gonna go into zone.
Yeah, get into zone. Yo, go here. I have rev. I mean, yeah.
I have stuff.
Trick shot.
Yeah, there's one more. 8 kills though. Oh no, he's good. Hey. Alright, that's gonna be it for this Sweaty Squads, guys. If you did enjoy, drop a like and a follow.